Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our general and legal account. So let's get started. So if you want to log into your general and legal account, what you can do is just open up a browser and then search for login, legal and general. And after searching for that, you will come up to this page where you have to tap on the first option which says My Account Login. And after tapping on My Account Login, now you can simply tap on Login. But before tapping on login, now you have to accept your cookies. So just tap on accept all cookies and then tap on login. And now you can enter your email address. So just simply enter your email address. And after entering your email address, just tap on continue. And after tapping on continue, now you have to enter your password. After entering your password, just tap on login and you will successfully log into your account. But if you have forgotten your account's password, what you can do is just easily reset or recover your password by tapping on forgot your password. And after tapping on forgot your password, you can create a new password for your account and then re-enter that password. But if you have forgotten your password, what you can do is just easily reset or recover your password by tapping on forgot your password and then create a new password. And after creating a new password, you just have to come back to this login page and just enter that new password that you have created and then tap on login. After tapping on login, you will successfully log into your account. That's it guys, this is how to log into your general and legal account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.